लास्ट 2 प्रश्न म्हणजे सद्याक सगळे जाण म्हणटात की तुम्ही कितें जर प्रश्न विचारलो जाल्यार कोण तो मायकल, कोण तो अमित पाटकार अशें म्हणटा.
आसूं तें आतां ते केन्ना केन्ना राजकारणान आमकां केन्ना केन्ना ह्या तरेचे
वळख विसरता बी अशें.
वळख विसरता. आतां कोणाक दिसता की म्हाका मेमरी लॅप जाला, ताका म्हाका हांव एकूच सांगूंक सोदता, ल्हानपणान कॉलेजीन बीन आसतना म्हाका फोटोग्राफीक मेमरी आशिल्ली, हांव विसरना कितेंच. सगळे गोश्टी याद उरता, कितें आहा ते विशय याद उरता, जे कितें उरोवंक जाय याद उरता. पूण इट इज नॉट अबावट कितें आसता की हे भुरगेपणाचे जे स्टेटमेंट्स हांव पळयता केन्ना केन्ना येता, पूण आय एम हियर टू डू सिरियस बिजनस एंड सिरियस वर्क. आनी म्हाका तरी दिसता की गोंयचे जनतेक न्याय गावपाची हो वेळ आयिल्लो आसा. आनी एक सांगूंक सोदता तुमकां की हांव टावन प्लॅनिंग मिनिस्टर म्हणून म्हाकाच फायदो जातलो अशें ना तें. आय कॅन चॅलेंज, आय पूट अ थिंग टू माय सेल्फ. It took me about a lot of time before I took such decisions and such harsh decisions, because you must understand is that the pressure on taking such decisions is very high. There are a lot of people who put pressure, but I have taken this decision consciously with the blessings of whoever has to bless me, and also with the support that when you're doing something right, we will support when you're doing something right. If you're doing something, you require blessings.
Correct.
You require blessings of God also to give you the vision and
whoever
clarity.
is to bless you म्हळ्यार म्हजो लास्ट प्रश्न. तुम्ही आता हेच व्हडलो खवदळ घाला, खवदळच हो ह्या डिपार्टमेंटाची कितें जाल्लें.
म्हाका एक प्रश्न तुमकां विचारूंक जाय. Tomorrow, as Vishwajit Rane, if I came and did nothing, would have you been happy?
ना ते हांव म्हणटा खवदळ बरो खवदळ आसता, वायट खवदळ आसता, वो बरो खवदळ.
तुमकां कितें दिसता
बरो खवदळ न्ही?
तेच म्हणटा.
सो आतां
ते बी लोकांक कळोंक जाय जे कितें हांव करता की प्रमोद आचार्य सेड दॅट आय एम डूइंग अ गुड जॉब.
तुम्ही जे करता ताजेर लोकांक कितें प्रॉब्लेम आसा असं म्हाका दिसना.
लोकांक
राजकारण्याक आसा.
आसूं तांकां
खूब जाणांच्या शेपडेर, पांयाचेर, कानाचेर, तोंडाचेर पांय दवरला,
आतां पर्यंत
पोटाचेरूय दवरला.
आतां पर्यंत दवरूंक ना.
अजून ना, फक्त दवरपाचें घोशीत केलां.
दवरपाचें घोशीत बी करूंक ना.
ओके.
ते कोणाक खंय दुखता ते दुखतलेच. आनी कोणाक दुखोवंक
आपल्या दोश दिनाक म्हणटा.
आपल्याक कित्याक दोश दिवंक जाय? कित्याक कोण एनीबडी हू हॅज डन एंड वायलेटेड द लॉ or benefited himself by using an office for his own growth, and that side you tell the public that we are here for you to serve the people and making it into a modern XYZ, then it's up to you to justify to the same 1 minute. It is up to you to justify to the same 1 minute. But let me finish this. To the same people is, what did you do? Because everything is in black and white. Everything has a trail in life. If I do something wrong and tomorrow I can I'm sitting in your channel.
कानून के हाथ बहुत लंबे होते हैं.
कानूनचे सोडूनच दिवपाचे. मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा की आयज एनीथिंग यू डू एज अ पर्सन is always questionable if you do something wrong, because tomorrow it comes to haunt you if you are fooling around with the system. And let me tell you, systemic changes in the state and in the department were required. You have got some very good officers. I'll tell you one instance. Somebody asked me something, so I asked that officer to examine. He told me straight away, he said, if you have called me, that much courage I have given my officers. If you have called me that to do this work, I said, no, I have not called you to do this work. I have called you to examine this work and revert back to me. And all my mails are very clear. Kindly examine and revert. And 1 minute, he said, I prefer being transferred from here, but I will not be doing this work.